Good day, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the world of garden hose connectors, unraveling the intricacies of installing 3 different types. Okay, and let's do it. Let's kick things off with plastic garden hose connectors. For this installation, we'll be working with a 3/4 inch green hose. First thing, ensure the hose end is cut cleanly and evenly. Now, take the plastic connector and slide it onto the hose end. Make sure it is tightened. Then, the other end also performs a similar operation. Unscrew the connector lid. Sleeve it around the hose. Insert the hose to the connector. And tighten the lid. You'll notice a distinct piston-like structure on one end of the connector. That's where it goes onto the spray gun, while the other end hooks up to the tap adapter, and then you connect it to the faucet. Because this way of connecting helps to shut off the upstream end, preventing any more liquid from flowing in and potentially leaking out from there. Next up, let's talk about metal garden hose connectors. We've got a vibrant red hose with a 1/2 inch diameter for this demonstration. Different from the previous plastic garden hose connectors, the metal ones have a detachable leak-proof rubber sleeve. You start by sliding the metal connector lid onto the hose. Then slip on the leak-proof rubber sleeve. And finally, insert the connector into the hose. Make sure you don't mix up these 3 steps. I trust you won't. Then place the rubber sleeve in the right spot and tighten the connector lid. Repeat similar steps on the connector at the other end. Just like before, one of the metal connectors still has that piston-like structure. Connect this end to the metal spray gun and the other end to the tap adapter. This method is consistent with the plastic connectors. Be cautious not to over-tighten and damage the threads. Now, our metal connector is ready to withstand the elements and provide a robust link between hoses. And now, for this 5/8 inch green garden hose. It comes with a pre-installed fixed connector. No need for additional steps. Simply take the garden hose connector and screw it directly into the hose end. But this kind may cause some trouble in replacement. Okay, if you want to know more about hoses, please subscribe to my channel.